Hi guys, this is Sukrita here. Today I thought of doing a quick video. I've decided to do a project pan. So in this I have chosen 30 products that I want to try and use up within this year. Some products are nearly finishing. For some of the products there's a lot of it. So I'll just quickly show you what all I have. I've decided to do this because, I keep purchasing new products and the old one just gets stashed at the back of the drawer. And I just wanted to try and use them up rather than throw them out. Okay, so starting off with this Bobbi Brown concealer. This is a quite old product and I used to use it a lot, as you can see, but I've stopped using it for quite some time, so I thought I'd try and use it up. There's this MAC Dazzle Glass. This is in the shade Lightly Prancing. Beautiful shade. There's this MAC Prep and Prime Translucent Finishing Powder. Anastasia Beverly Hills Eyebrow Pencil. L'Oreal BB Cream. I've had this for quite some time, so I want to try and use it up. The Urban Decay All Nighter. MAC Tender Tones. Also quite an old product I have, so. Really old MAC eyeshadow from a holiday collection, so I'm gonna try using it up, as the colors are neutral and I can use it on a regular basis, so I think it's a good eyeshadow palette to try and use up, since recently I've purchased many new eyeshadows. There's this Benefit eyebrow that I also want to use up. Whoops. The Dior blush. This is in the shade Rosebud, a very nice daily shade. This L'Oreal Mineralized Blush. Rimmel Stay Matte Finishing Powder. The Benefit Professional Primer. I have tried to choose products from all categories because if you just choose like 30 lipsticks, it's gonna be difficult to get through them. So this Sephora Hydrating Moisturizing Water. The Urban Decay Concealer. This is actually quite a new product, but I haven't been enjoying it so much, so I was thinking to use it on a regular basis and finish it off. The MAC Prep and Prime for Lips. My liquid eyeliner. I really love this. I've actually purchased it many times, but I'm just getting kind of bored of it, so I want to use it up and try out something new. Maybe the Kat Von D or something. Let's see. Okay, so now I have these two eyeshadow sticks from MAC that I want to use up, and this green pencil eyeliner. This was actually one of my favorite pencil eyeliners, as I think it goes well with my eye color, but I just think I want to use it up. It's been there for quite some time. Now I have 9 lip products that I want to use up, so I'll quickly go through them. The first one is the Dior Collagen Active Lip Maximizer. I use it as a lip moisturizer, so I don't think it really works as a lip maximizer. So this Dior lip shade. It's a really beautiful berry color. There's this another one, again from Dior. These lipsticks are actually really moisturizing, so I love them for daily wear. This Revlon lip butter. This one is I've used quite a bit of it, so thought I'll finish it off. This brown shade from Guerlain. Estee Lauder lip gloss. And I have 3 MAC lipsticks. This shade is in Freckle Tone. Very beautiful shade. I've actually been trying to finish these off anyways, so I thought I'll put it in my project pan. This is the shade I have on now. I really love this shade. It's Pink Nouveau. And I've got this mineralized rich lipstick in Glamour Era. So beautiful. Darker nude shade. For the last thing, my 30th item is this perfume. I actually really love this perfume and it's about to finish off anyway, so I do want to finish it off. So these are the 30 products I'm going to try and use up within this year. I will keep a track of what I have actually used up and what is left and all. Well, Happy New Year and lots of love. Bye. Take care. Sukrita.
Yes.